Our viewers might remember we helped defeat a planned controversial landfill along Highway 6 near Hempstead. During that corruption investigation of Waller County public officials, we reported that Judge McKeough's hand-picked grand jury was compromised in our view. He didn't like us one bit after that. In a lovely 2013 letter, Judge McKeough called me a coward and a malcontent, suggesting I reminded him of a guy who is running to a fire with a can of gasoline, not worried about the damage or the destruction I might cause. In a motion to recuse the judge, our lawyers from the Jeff Diamond law firm say Judge McKeough has a personal bias against us, quote, a clear and vehement distaste for me and my reporting. The judge has until midweek to voluntarily remove himself from this fight.